Kenya is not unique in practicing a system where there's the executive, the judiciary, and the legislature. But we become unique in how the three arms relate. I want to begin by appreciating the commitment that Kenya Kwanza has made, and if you read through the entire document, about this issue of separation of powers. His Excellency has already stated categorically that we'll operationalize the judiciary fund so that the judiciary does not have to keep looking behind their backs to know what decisions to make in which disputes. Indeed, Kenya Kwanza, in this manifesto, has committed to strengthening the Chapter 15 commissions, both financially and operationally. That speaks to the respect, the high respect that Kenya Kwanza intends to give to the whole gamut of the subject of separation of powers. I'm aware that many people are quite apprehensive, Your Excellency, because the president is elected through a political party and will have members of parliament who, as you have seen, tend to be sometimes swayed to vote in a particular way. But I want to state that the commitment that has been made by His Excellency, the Deputy President, with regard to operationalization of the independence of various institutions is commitment sufficient enough to ensure that there will be no question of anybody saying that this one is extending their mandate to the functions of the other. But it is also something that we cannot run away from, the fact that His Excellency has a range of policy matters contained in this document, which will require legislation. Legislation will be originated from various government ministries, but it goes to Parliament. His Excellency the President, as we believe is going to be, has committed, it is up to Parliament to go and debate, because the members of his party know the commitments that we have made to the people of Kenya, so that the policies are implemented through legislation. That should not be seen as interfering with the operations of Parliament. Parliament will still have its own way, but remember, whatever laws that Parliament will pass have also to be ascended in order to become law by the President. But I want to give a commitment, as His Excellency has stated, that this manifesto, if you read through, you will see the high commitment, the heavy commitment about the rule of law and the separation of powers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, JB.
Asante Mutembei, majina yangu ni Zakaria Kariuki Dirango. Karibu sana, hapa ni Kamuru. Kabla hujafika Kamuru Shopping Center, iko between Luai na Kamuru. Hii shamba iko mahali kunaitwa Kipawa, 100 meter kutoka Kangudo Road. Umejionea wewe mwenyewe, kuna supermarket. Hii shamba ni next to high school. Yes. So karibu sana Mutembei. Yes.
Nimefurahi sana, kwanza hii area inakaa smart sana. Maybe siku ya leo nataka tueleze viewers tuko hapo kwa sababu gani?
Tunataka tuwaelezee ya kwamba Nairobi bado haijaisha. Nairobi bado kuna plot. Hizi plot ziko constituency ya Kasarani constituency. Yes. So tuko na plot hapa. Yes.